In this video, I will guide you on how to fix forgotten password, PIN or pattern on the Samsung Galaxy A57 5G. Before we proceed, keep in mind that this is going to wipe out all of the data stored on your Samsung Galaxy A57 5G. Now, first things first, you need to get your data cable. Over here, I am using a Type-C to a USB data cable, as you can see. And then you also need to get your laptop or PC. My laptop over here do have a USB input. Make sure that the laptop or PC is actually turned on, and then the first thing you want to do is to just connect the USB part of your data cable to the USB port on your laptop or PC. So I'll go ahead and connect mine, and then the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and connect the USB-C part of your data cable to the USB-C port on your Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, just like so. Now, once you connect it, your Samsung Galaxy A57 5G will start to charge. But at this point, we want to proceed to press on some key combinations over here. So basically, we want to long press on the power button and the volume down button until the device turns off. And then once it turns off, you want to move your hand from the volume down button to the volume up button while still pressing on the power button. Continue pressing until you see the Samsung logo. Then you can release the power button, only pressing on the volume up button until you get into the hard reset menu. So we are going to do all of this together. First, you want to tap on the power button so that the screen is on, and then you want to long press on the volume down button and the power button together. Just press and hold until the device turns off. Then you can move your hand to the volume up button. So just press and hold. Now move your hand to the volume up button while still pressing on the power button. Now once you see the Samsung logo, release the power button while still pressing on the volume up button, and you're going to get into the hard reset menu. Now tap on the volume down button to get to the wipe data / factory reset option. Go ahead and select that with the power button. Scroll down again with the volume down button to the factory data reset. Then you can select that with the power button again. And automatically, once you see the data wipe complete option at the bottom, you can now reboot your Samsung Galaxy A57 5G by selecting on the reboot system now option with the power button. Give it a couple of seconds and your Samsung Galaxy A57 5G will reboot and take you back to the initial setup screen. Now we are back to the initial setup screen, and what you want to do is to just follow the on-screen instructions to set up your device. So select your language and then tap on start. Go ahead and agree to the terms and conditions over here. Click on agree at the bottom. We'll be setting it up manually, so tap on setup manually, and then also connect to your home Wi-Fi network. I will connect to mine. Tap on connect, then next. After a couple of seconds, you'll be taken back to enter your forgotten password, PIN or pattern. But in this case, what you want to do is to select on the use my Google account option instead. Then proceed to enter the previously signed in Google account on your Samsung Galaxy A57 5G. So I'll go ahead and enter mine. Enter the password to the account as well. Set up a new Google account for this device. You can go ahead and enter your new Google account or your previously signed in Google account. But in my case, I want to skip it. So I'll tap on the skip option at the bottom. Tap on skip from over here. I don't want to copy. You can also go ahead and set up a password, PIN or pattern. I will skip this. Tap on skip anyway, scroll all the way down, tap on accept. If you have your Samsung account, you can also go ahead and sign into your Samsung account. In my case, I'll tap on don't have an account over here, then tap on set up letter in settings, scroll all the way down, tap on skip anyways, scroll all the way down again and tap on agree. Select your team, and for recommended apps, you just want to tap on next from over here. And now we have successfully fixed the forgotten password, PIN or pattern on the Samsung Galaxy A57 5G. You can go ahead and install any of these applications. Just tap on install, then click on finish, and you're good to go. If this was helpful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.